In today's video, we will learn about electrical materials and components that electricians use in real installation and wiring work. These are the basic building blocks of every electrical system. Let's get started. Component 1. Electrical wires and cables. These are electrical wires and cables. They carry electricity from one point to another in homes, buildings, and industrial systems. Different colors are used for live, neutral, and ground connections. Component 2. Circuit breaker. This is a circuit breaker. It automatically shuts off electricity when there is overload or short circuit. It is an important safety device in every electrical panel. Component 3. Electrical switch. This is an electrical switch. It is used to turn lights and appliances on and off safely. Switches are found in every home and building. Component 4. Electrical socket or outlet. This is a power socket or outlet. It provides a connection point for electrical appliances like chargers, fans, and machines. Component 5. Distribution board or DB panel. This is a distribution board. It distributes electricity to different circuits in a building. It also contains fuses and circuit breakers for protection. Component 6. Fuse. This is an electrical fuse. It protects circuits by breaking the connection when too much current flows. It prevents electrical damage and fire hazards. Component 7. Relay. This is an electrical relay. It is an automatic switch controlled by electricity. It is used in control panels and industrial systems. Component 8. Contactor. This is a contactor. It is used to control high-power electrical loads like motors and machines. Component 9. Terminal block. This is a terminal block. It is used to connect multiple wires safely and neatly inside panels. Component 10. Conduit pipe. This is a conduit pipe. It protects electrical wires from damage, moisture, and heat. Wires are run inside these pipes for safety. Component 11. Junction box. This is a junction box. It is used to connect and protect wire joints safely inside walls or ceilings. Component 12. Electrical tape. This is electrical insulation tape. It is used to cover exposed wires and protect against short circuits. Closing scene. These are some essential electrical materials and components every electrician must know. Understanding these parts is very important for safe and professional electrical work. Thanks for watching Amazing Part. Please like, share, and subscribe for more electrician training videos and engineering knowledge. See you in the next video.